Hey, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explain how to import Toolset Types post relationship with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Let's get started. I have created two custom posts, movies and actors with Toolset. For this tutorial, I'm going to relate these two custom posts with Toolset Types. Whenever I post a new blog about a particular movie, I can easily relate the list of all actors related to that particular movie. Here you can see I have created the relationship in Toolset Types. It's a many-to-many relationship. Let me show you the CSV file now. So here I have added some of the post-related information like post title, content, date, and status. Next, I have included two more columns. The first one is to mention the relationship slug. You can get the slug value from your toolset. So this is my relationship slug. I have copied and pasted this slug in the CSV file. Next, the types relationship represents child posts. I have added the list of all actors related to the particular movie and separated multiple values using commas. These are the values I have already created as child posts in Actors Custom Post Type. So that's all about the CSV preparation. Now let's import it. Visit the plugin page in your WordPress dashboard. Start by uploading the file. Choose the custom post here from drop-down. I chose the custom post movie. Click on Continue. If your CSV header is the same as that of the WP fields, then the plugin will automatically map the fields. Navigate to the Toolset Types custom field and map the relationship slug and the types relationship or child post field. Provide a name for the mapping at the end and click on Continue. Click Import. The import will begin. And it will be completed in a few minutes. Here you can see my values are imported. You can see under the name of a particular movie, I have the list of actors. That's it. Hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.